Hey guys, it is the night before my gold expedition, my final expedition. I'm terrified. I'm not that terrified. The practice was, it went alright, but I'm not looking forward to waking up early, walking so long every day, um, no, and camping. Hopefully it goes well. I'll let you know in the morning what I do, and yeah, I'm scared.
Good morning. I just woke up. It's like 6:30 a.m. I have to be at school for 9 for my expedition. I don't want to do this. I've got to carry so much stuff, but let's get through it.
I am now basically just leaving to the campsite where we're meant to meet to start our Gold DofE expedition. I'm not looking forward to it. So it's day one and we have just got onto the coach, which is going to drop us off at our location, which is 20 something kilometers away, and we have to walk back. Fun. This is basically the start of our journey. We're walking through some urban areas and going through these like really narrow sort of, I don't even know what you call them, footpaths with tons of stinging nettles. And stinging nettles were a big problem, but we made it to a valley. I don't know what you call it, maybe a U-shaped valley or a V-shaped valley. And yes, this is basically me struggling, panting. I know I'm not fit at all. I'm basically just trying to get through this. Honestly, it was so hot, and like, you don't even understand how tired we were and how hot we were. It was just so hard. So we ended up having to take a little break right at the top of the hill, just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. We set off again through some more valleys. I'm so sorry about this shaky footage. It's the best that I could do on this rocky terrain. But honestly, what saved me is talcum powder. So if any talcum powder companies want to sponsor me, please do, because I literally love talcum powder now. It absolutely saved my feet. This is us now walking back to camp. I think we're the second ones back. We made it quite quickly. It was a good route today. Wasn't too tiring. My feet aren't that knackered yet. Hopefully they don't get knackered anytime soon. It's 4 days left and I really don't want to continue, but let's keep going. I guess we just have to set up our tents and everything, which I'm not looking forward to. This is me eating Maggi noodles, a lifesaver. It is now day 2 and we have just woken up trying to get down all of our tents. This is my heavily packed bag. I don't think I even packed it properly, and this is basically me untying my hair because I'm boiling. You don't even understand how hot it is in the morning. Even though I'm wearing a jumper, I'm basically internally dying. My body is basically just, again, dying. This is the bin bag, which basically was torn apart because the crows ate it at night, which was fun. We are just getting ready to get onto the minibus, and we're on the minibus moving back to our, I think, second location, which is again, I think, 23 kilometers away. I think it's in Wendover. I'm not too sure. The first one was in Kennington or Kensworth, one of those. I can't remember. I really can't remember. But I think we're going to Wendover today. Not looking forward to it, but hopefully it turns out well. Hopefully it's an easy route. It doesn't look like that there are many hills, but we will see. This is the powder that is basically saving me. It's from Boots, so whatever you do, make sure you get it and put it all over you. It prevents you from sweating, it prevents your feet from getting blisters. It's basically magic and you need to get it whatever you do. Here we're making a pit stop. Basically, we've kind of run out of water, so we had to fill up our water bottle with our teacher, which was not great, but we're basically sat out in the sun. This is basically just us trying to walk back from getting our water bottles filled up or something. It looks like we're walking really weirdly, but I promise you we're not. Well, we reached camp and we were so tired. One tip I really want to give you is bring a pair of flip-flops. I brought trainers and flip-flops quite a bit. Make sure you bring them. This is basically me trying to find a perfect camera angle to film, but it's clearly not working. I'm trying to get my hair done to a reasonable state, but it's not working at all. It's very like oily because I haven't had time to shampoo it during this camping thingy. It is now day 3 and we're off again in the minibus to get somewhere probably like 20 kilometers away or something. Not fun. These are the poles that I'm trying to carry because I couldn't fit them in my bag. Now we are just struggling to get through a forest. That is my friend up ahead, trying to lead us, but we're kind of lost at the moment. We don't really know where we are. We're trying to look at the map and figure it out, but hopefully we get somewhere. It's not looking hopeful at the moment. Well, we ended up getting back on time, and this is now day 4 of our expedition, our last day, I think. Well, this is the coach. That's my big bag and my shoes. I'm not looking forward to this day because my feet are absolutely shattered. It is annoying. Again, talcum powder all the way. You need to get it. We're about to set off. Hopefully it's not too far. We actually walked really far, and this is basically me being really lazy and just falling asleep. Yeah, this is basically just us lazy. Me walking very uncomfortably with all of that on my back. Basically it's just horrible. Just so much weight. I'm kind of getting used to it now, but not really. I am trying to attempt to get over a fence, but I think that I got a bit stuck, which was not helpful at all. This is basically me struggling to get out. This video is kindly sponsored by Learn. They have amazingly structured past paper solutions, video walkthroughs and other resources tailored to all GCSE and A-level students and teachers across the world. The link is in my description. I would really recommend it. And yet again, we had to go through another gate, which I think my bag was too big. And yeah, I'm stuck again. This is again me trying to get past the gate, still struggling. Yeah, this is bad. And can I get through? I got through finally with all of that struggle. Yet again, another break. We just can't keep going without many breaks. Here's my friend basically recording me very weirdly. We're kind of talking about something. I forgot, probably about cameras and DSLRs, whether I should get one or not. And I think I came to the conclusion, no, I'm not, but I still think I need to do a bit more research. Yeah, I'm so tired. We managed to get up from our break, but this is me trying to get my bag on, which is really heavy. And again, as you can tell, I'm basically struggling because I can't carry this heavy stuff. I don't normally carry like 50 kg on my back. Again, even more walking. This is so annoying, but bring your camera, it's worth it. Another tip that I would recommend is bringing your own cooking like pots and pans, not heavy ones but like camping ones, because I did not like to eat in a trangia that everybody else ate in. I know it's very fussy, but that's just me, so if anybody doesn't like doing that, bring your own pots and pans. We were the second last group to get back to camp, and this is me sluggishly walking back. It was a very long walk today, and I am so tired. I'm basically just swinging my arms around. That's how tired I am. It's basically finally over. One more tip I have for you: if you have long hair, you just need to get a hairband. Do not flap your hair about because it's so annoying. So we are now back at our camp, and I am just about to go to the pole and help my friend to take down this outer tent. I'm trying to do it with one hand with filming and one hand trying to undo a tent. It's not doing the best job, but it's alright. I'm so tired to do anything. That's me chucking a peg or doing, I don't even know what that was. I think it was a peg. Putting it away to wash it. I'm just so tired. You don't even understand the pain I'm in at the moment. My feet are killing me. I'm so thankful that I didn't take any painkillers. I didn't have to take them for the 4 days, and I'm so proud of myself for that because I didn't really want to take a painkiller. But this is me trying to undo it with one hand. I know, I'm struggling. I'm not the best at taking down tents. It's just not something that I would really do. We are now at the end of the expedition waiting for our debrief, and that's basically it. I have now arrived home, and looking back at it, it was actually quite good. It was fun. It wasn't, well, it was very tiring. I'm home now, so it's all okay. I broke my phone. So what I'm filming on right now is my phone and the screen is absolutely shattered. So that was a present that I got. When I got home, I accidentally dropped my phone, so I really now need to get a new phone, which is so annoying, because it's just so much effort. So if anyone is selling a phone, and preferably an iPhone, maybe 11, 12 for cheap, let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. We basically just recently got monetized, so it means a lot that you stayed until the end. Have a great day.